In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ChatGPT answer honestly in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. The goal is to get clear, comprehensive responses that don't trail off or compress into vague summaries. To do that, we'll shape both the structure and the flow of your prompts so the model can deliver depth without hitting technical ceilings. First, understand the technical token ceiling. Even though the conversation can remember a large amount of context, each single reply still has a hard cap. When you ask for too much in one go, the model will either condense aggressively or stop mid-sentence to avoid overrunning that limit. Plan with that boundary in mind so you don't ask one message to do the work of an entire chaptered guide. Next, use a multi-pass structure prompt instead of an open-ended request. Swap Write a long essay about economics for a structured blueprint like this. Act as an expert, exhaustive documentation author. Write a comprehensive deep dive breakdown of your topic. To prevent brief or summarized answers, your response must strictly include the following distinct elements: an introductory landscape analysis with foundational history, a granular bulleted technical breakdown of all core submechanisms, a distinct section with 2 practical real-world case studies or code examples, a comparative table contrasting alternative perspectives or competing methodologies, and a concluding forecast overview. That frame forces coverage, breadth, and depth. Then specify target constraints and tone indicators. Tell the model how dense and how long you want it. Provide a high-density, comprehensive analysis of at least 800 to 1,000 words. Expand heavily on every subpoint rather than summarizing. Reinforce the style. Write in an academic, authoritative tone. Include definitions for niche jargon, detail historical context, and map out step-by-step practical applications. These signals shift the register from quick recap to encyclopedic treatment. For big topics, spread the work across turns. Start with an outline. I need to build a comprehensive guide on topic. First, provide a detailed 6-part chapter outline. Do not write full content yet. Then deepen sequentially. Excellent. Now write Chapter 1, Introduction and Historical Context in full detail based on that outline. Use multiple subheadings, expand on the mechanics, and include examples. Aim for maximum depth. Continue with, now move to Chapter 2 using the same high-density approach. This threading keeps context while sidestepping single message limits. Finally, handle mid-sentence truncations. If output stops, click the Continue Generating button. If it's not available, type, you stopped mid-sentence at paste the last 4 visible words. Please resume from that exact point, keeping the previous detailed structure intact. And that is all for today. Combining highly structured multi-part prompts with systematic turn-by-turn threading is the most reliable way to unlock maximum depth and build true encyclopedic guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.